Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be amazing, so interesting. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you the easiest way to make money online by doing simple tasks. Would you believe me if I told you that if you do these things that I'm about to show you here, you can make $10 in just a day doing this? So stick around this video. Make sure you don't skip this video because every aspect of this video is very important. If you skip any part of this video, you might miss the important aspect of this video. Now, making money online is never been an easy task, but thanks to platforms that offer simple tasks for anyone to complete. Whether you are a stay-at-home parent, a student looking to earn extra cash, or simply anyone who wants to make money online in their spare time, this is for you. Many people face challenges when trying to earn money online. Some platforms require specific skills or investment, while others are simply too complicated to navigate. But fear not, because simple tax platforms are here to save you. And I want to show you just only one of these platforms that you can perform simple tasks, and this is super amazing. So stick around this video now. Let's jump into it. But before we enter, if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel. This is Online Store YouTube channel, and my name here is Emmanuel. So I have a bunch of video here. I have a bunch of videos here. In this channel, I teach how to make money online. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. So let's jump into our tutorial. So what kind of tasks are you expecting to find online? These tasks may be surveys, data entry, website testing, or more. These tasks don't require any specific skills or qualification, just a bit of your time and effort. It's a great way to earn money online without any hassle. So you see, these platforms give you access to earn some token online without any investment, without you spending a dime. So this is so great. And in this video, I want to show you one of these platforms that I use a lot. I like this platform so much. They have bunch of tasks for you to perform. So let me show you. This platform here is a secret platform. Many people never talk about it, but is paying. People are making money from this platform, and this platform is what we call Juma Workers. So sign up on Juma Workers now and start completing tasks and make your first $10 a day. So the link to this website will be in the description here below. So make sure you use my link to sign up to this platform. So what do you do in Juma Workers? Let me show you the things you do. These platforms is so great. I love it. Unlike other platforms that have limited, jobs to do, these platforms have bunch of jobs to do. So you can see here 215 jobs available for you. So before you finish performing 10, before you finish performing 20, and they are so simple. Look at this one, 30 cents, this one 20 cents, 10 cents, just like that. So these platforms have a lot of job for you to do, and they are in categories. You can see them here. We have micro jobs, we have hiring jobs, and we have paid surveys and offers. So let's check on micro jobs. These micro jobs are the one you see here. The first one here, they are the micro jobs. So you can see, let's check here. You can choose your sort. So let's check on highest paying jobs. So you can see here, to view a Facebook page, you can have 55 cents. Just to download and install this on your PC, you have 50 cents. To sign up, you have 35 cents. To sign up on Shutterstock, you can get. So there are a bunch of jobs here to perform. Let's check on this other one, hiring jobs. This is the second section. This one is like a freelance platform where people come here. You can see here, you yourself, you can add a job here for people to help you do, and you pay the person. So this like another freelance platform. You can see someone here to create a simple MVP to send voice notes via email. This one is looking for someone to perform simple video creation, and the person pays $1.10 per video, per short video of 1 minute you do. So you can apply if you have any of those knowledge, you can apply for these jobs. So this platform is great. So you have another one here, paid surveys. So you can check any of these companies and then perform some surveys and make money from it. So the simple ones, the simplest ones here are these micro jobs. They are these micro jobs that you can perform in few minutes. In just a minute, you are done. Just a minute, you are done. So let me just open up one and show you as an example. So if I click on this one, this is what this person needs. The person needs, you have to copy this link and then paste it in another browser tab, and then you are just to sign up to this person's YouTube channel. Sorry, to subscribe to this person's YouTube channel. You just subscribe, and after subscribing, you have to submit a proof here. The persons need a proof here. So you submit the email that you are using, that you use to subscribe to this channel. And once you do that, boom, you just click on submit proof. You can upload, you can do a screenshot and then upload it here and send it. Once the owner of this job sees it, it will report to this platform that you have done the job and your money enters. So you can check any of these jobs. They are simple. They are very, very simple. This one you have to write a review. This one you just have to complete simple tasks and get paid $20. So guys, what are you waiting for? I've been using this website. I just discovered it and I've started using it, and I have a proof that this website is paying. So what are you waiting for? Make sure you use the link in my description now and sign up on this website and start making money from it. So if you have any comments, you have any question, go to the comment section and leave your comments there, and I will be there to answer you. In another of my video, I will make a video on how you can withdraw your money from this platform. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you click the subscribe button now and subscribe to this channel. And also, if you want to know another method of making huge amount of money, this one, they are just little money you make here and there, a little draw from here, from there. Before you know, you gather it and you make your first $10 per day. There are other means of making money online which you need to know. And if you want to know another strategy that I use to make money online, click on this video showing up here. Let's jump into it.